tahniah. Dah jadi suami orang. Bukannya senang jadi suami ni, tahu. Jangan panggil turun ke ni?
Dah boleh lah.
Turun, jom.
Dah boleh lah.
Orang kena bawa mohon turun.
Turun ke ni? Ya ke?
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I
Waktu ni perwatakan dia, kalau nak cakap yang baik-baik, dia akan fikir orang lain dulu. Dia saya nak cakap pentingkan orang lain dulu sebelum dia.
I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help. 'Cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine.
Latif sekarang dah jadi isteri. Title isteri itu datang dengan tanggungjawab. Sama-sama berganding bahu, upgradekan diri, perbaiki diri supaya sama-sama boleh bergandingan tangan ke syurga.
What if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should run, I'm only 21. I don't even know who I want to become. I've lost all control of my heartbeat now. Got caught in a romance with him somehow. I still feel a shock through every bone when I hear an I love you, 'cause now I've got someone to lose. The first one to ever like me back. I'm seconds away from a heart attack. How the hell did I fall in love this time? And honestly, I can't believe I get to call you mine. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine.
Muhammad Haris bin Zakri.
Ya, saya.
Aku nikahkan dikau dengan anakku Nur Awatif binti Muhammad Faridi Yusli dengan mas kahwinnya RM550 tunai.
Aku terima nikahnya Nur Awatif binti Muhammad Faridi Yusli dengan mas kahwinnya RM550 tunai.
Alhamdulillah.
Hello Haris, today is the day we've been waiting for. The day I get to call you my husband. As I sit here with a heart full of emotions, I just want you to know how deeply grateful I am for you. Your kindness, your love, and the way you stood beside me through every chapter, even the hard ones. You are my calm in chaos, my strength in doubt, and my joy in everyday moments. I just didn't fall in love with you, I choose you, and I'll keep choosing you over and over again, every single day for the rest of our life. I may not know what future holds, but I know this, as long as I have your hands in mine, I have everything I need. See you at the I love. Always yours, Wifey.
Selamat pengantin baru kepada pasangan Muhammad Haris dan juga Nur Awatif. Sempena dengan perkahwinan mereka ini, jadi saya mendoakan agar mereka berkekalan di jannah dan saya mendoakan kebahagiaan untuk mereka. Nasihat saya ialah supaya mereka ini menjaga rumah tangga mereka dengan rukun, dengan menjaga tata tertib berdasarkan kepada agama, ya, menjaga solat, menjaga budi bicara dan menjaga budi pekerti sama ada di rumah atau di mana jua mereka berada. Lagi sekali saya mendoakan agar mereka berdua berkekalan hingga ke jannah. Amin.
You kena ambil gambar sampai pukul 10, 11, 12. Alah, sorry ya. Ambil selfie.
Dah lagi?
Nak nanti je boleh?
Boleh.
Bye. Allah.
5 minit, 5 minit.
Saya minit cepat-cepat.
Tak dengar.